Hi there everyone, it's Atna here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I have my Fashom box, so if you'd like to see what I have and a try-on, stay tuned, keep watching, I'll be right back. I'll read a little bit of how this works. You take a styling quiz, which is what you do most of the time. You get styled and you select. Your stylist will personally select 5 to 7 items, and you pick the 5 that you want them to send you. So you get to see, you know, what you're getting sent to you, which sometimes I like that. Sometimes I like to be surprised, but I do like to see what I'm going to get too. So that works. You know, you keep what you love, what you don't, you send back in the mailer. Your first styling session is free. It's not a subscription. So there's no scheduling required. You know, you just go back on whenever you want and let them know, hey, send me, you know, some more items, and free shipping and returns. So yeah, that's pretty neat. And this is my bundle, and I like that I see in there a lot of floral. They listened to me. So I am going to try this stuff on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with a recap. I forgot to mention before that I have a $10 referral code, so if you use that referral code, you will get $10 credit, and I'll get $10 credit. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the Chris and Carol Body with Roll Tab Arm. This is pink, and it's $43. This was the first one I tried on, and this is definitely a keeper. I am keeping this. It is so soft. This is exactly what I've been looking for, what I've been asking for. I love the floral print. I like the color. It's springy, spring, summer. It's not fitted at the waist, no elastic or anything like that. Unless I see something I don't like on the video when I look at it, when I look back at it, I'm definitely keeping this. Okay, next thing is Ijoa floral dress in navy, and this is $42, and this is really cute too. The only thing is, I don't know that I don't think I have a bra that's going to go with it. As you could tell when I tried it on, I was braless. I hope you couldn't tell, but I tried it on with my bra and just didn't look right at all, so I took the bra off, and I'm definitely not going to go braless or anything, but I really like this dress a lot too. I just don't think I have a bra that's going to go with it. I guess I could buy one, but because I really like this too. This is so cute. Next thing we have here is Les Amis, and it's a print top with the shoulder ties. I thought that was cute, in navy, and this is $42. And I thought that was really cute too. I like the floral. It's solid color on the back and then floral on the front. It has the ties. I like that. And next we have BONAMI leaf print top, leaf black print, and this one's $42, and I like this a lot too. That's cute. I like right there in the front, the detail right there, and how the cutout. And this one's solid color on the back too. I think I like that a lot too. It's gonna be a hard decision here. And then the last I have here is the Natural Life Lightweight Cardigan in Olive, and this is $38. And I'm definitely not keeping this. I like it, it's okay. I don't like the length of it. I like the color. It's soft, it's really lightweight, but I'm just, you know, not in the market for a cardigan right now, and especially a dark color like that. Okay, so my total comes to $207. If I keep everything, it's 30% off, which would take off $62.10, and my total would be $144.90. I'm not keeping everything. Like I said, I'm definitely keeping that pink dress with the floral print, unless I see something in the video I don't like. Maybe the other floral dress I really like. I really like the one with the tie shoulder ties, and I like the leaf print top. Only thing I don't care for is the cardigan. So, oh boy, decisions, because I can't keep everything. All right. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my Fashom unboxing and try-on. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.